Hello everybody and welcome to this session on quadratic equations. I have taken these questions from the AQA Math Revision Guide. Okay, so the question is x squared plus 10x plus 12 equals 0, and there's another one, y squared minus 6y minus 15 equals 0. And there's a quadratic equation and we have to solve it. So for these two questions we will use the formula. The formula is, as you know, is this: square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that is divided by 2a. Okay, so it should be, sorry, excuse my writing, it's not perfect. So that's x. Okay, so what are we going to do with equation 1? So we are solving 1a. So x squared, so that means a is 1, b is 10, c is 12. So what I have to do is x equals minus 10 b squared times 1 times 12 because it's 2 comes out, so 2 and 2 cancel each other out, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, so that's the answer. Okay, so this is the answer, so I'm gonna write x equals this. Now using the same method I have to do the next one, which is b. I'll use another, so b is saying y squared minus 6y, so a equals 1, b is minus 6, c is minus 15. So how do I solve it? So y minus 6 b squared, so that's minus 6 whole squared, 36, minus 4 times 1 times minus 15, 1, so that equals 6, 36 plus 60 divided by 2, that equals 6 plus minus root 96. So 96, I can break it down to 16 times 6, that would be 4. So my answer is 3, 2, root 6. Okay, so that is y, and that is my answer. Okay, so this one is done. The next question is saying write 2x squared plus 20x plus 7 in the form a within brackets 6 plus b whole square plus q. So how are we going to do this? So we have to break this down. That's the first thing to do. So I have to break 2x squared plus 20x plus 7 to get this format. So 2x squared, I can write this as, if I bring, so let me write it from the beginning, plus 20x plus 7, so that equals, if I bring the 2 out, it gets x squared plus 10x plus 7. Now this I have to write as an in the form x plus b whole square. So I can do that by writing x square is x times x plus 2 twice 5x, that will give 10x. So if I write 5x, I need to have a 5 square. So I've added 25 times 2, 50. So I have to subtract 50 and leave the plus 7 as it is. So that will give it twice x plus 5 whole square minus 43. So that's written in that format. Okay, that does this. The next question is, right, so this is, we have to solve it. Emma solves a quadratic equation of the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. She correctly solves to get x equals 6 plus minus root 11. Work out the values of b and c. Right, so what I have to do is, this is x, this value I have to put in place of x and then form equations. So it is plus and minus, so once I will do it with the plus sign. So what I will do is 6 plus root 11 will be one equation, 6 minus root 11 will be another equation, and then two other equations will be adding and subtracting these two equations. So we will have 4 equations from which we will be able to find out what b and c is. Right, so that is the plan of doing this. So with the plan, let us start. So let me write it down. So we are first going to use x equals 6 plus root 11. We're going to solve using this. Okay, so we're going to write x squared. That's 6 plus b times 6 plus c equals 0. So, or we get, now if we expand this, 36 plus 11 plus 2 times 6 times root 11 plus 6b plus b plus c equals 0. Or 36 plus 11 is 747 plus 6 times 2 is 12, 11 plus 6b don't think we can solve it any further, so I will call this 1. Right, now I'm going to use x equals, I'm going to use x equals 6 minus 11. So use that value. So that will give me x squared. So that is 6 minus whole square plus b times 6 minus 11 plus c equals 0, or I'm going to get 36 minus 2 times 6 times root 11. Then I'm going to use 2 times 6 times root 11 plus 6b minus b root 11 plus c equals 0. Okay, so did I do it right? So 6 times 6 is 36 minus 2 times 6 times root 11. No, I have missed out something, and that is I have missed out, wait a minute. So I have missed out 11, yeah, minus 11, okay, plus 6b minus b plus c equals 0. Or 36 plus 11 is 7. 47 minus 12 root 11 plus 6b minus. Okay, so these are my equations. Okay, plus 6b minus. So this I'm going to call as 2. Okay, now if I write 2 below this, if I write the equation 2 here below 1, will look like 47 minus 12 11 plus 6b minus b. This is 2. Okay, I'm just writing the same one here, so you can see what's going on. So what is going on is if I just add 1 plus 2, what will I get? 47 plus 47, 7 and 7, 14, 4 and 1, 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9, 94. This sub cancels out, so minus, no, plus 6 and 6 is 12b, and then plus 2c equals 0. So I can call this another equation. So if I call this my equation 3, so it's 94 minus, no, plus 12b plus 2c equals 0, and that is equation 3. Okay, so I can do another equation. If I instead of adding, if I subtract. So if I subtract, I get this as a plus, this is a minus, this is a plus, this is a minus. So what am I left with? I am left with 12 plus 12, that is 24 root 11. And then I am left with 6b cancels out, plus b root 11, 2b equals 0. So this can be my 4 equation. I can keep going, or 24. Now if I bring the root 11 outside, put in bracket, and 24 plus 2b equals 0, or ignore the root 11. So this within bracket, the term within bracket equals 0. So 24 plus 2b equals 0, or b should be minus 24 by 2, that's 12. So this is my answer for B. So this value of B I can put in 3, and I will get, using B equals minus 12 in 3 What do we get? 94 minus 12 times 12 is 144 plus 2c equals 0. Or I get 2c equals 144 minus 94, that is 4 minus 4, 0, 4 and 9 is 5. So I get C equals 25. So that's all then. C is 25, B is minus 12, and that is your answer. That's what we are supposed to do. So that completes this exercise. Hope it helped. Thank you for your time. Bye.